Hello everyone, welcome to the Chinese course on TELIC. I'm Yao Songmei. Happy to see you. Let's do a quick review. 呀 耶 哇 窝 约 Good. Today we have 4 more, and they are 腰 you 歪 way. As we can see, they are combined by 3 simple finals. In each of them, the middle one is the main vowel and is the loudest one. The first is quiet and the last is short. Let's learn them one by one. Yao, it is pronounced as E plus ao. E is short and quiet, while ao is the same as compound final ao. Let's add initials. 飘 jiao 消 Note here, when a syllable begins with a, o, or and follows after another syllable, we should use the syllable dividing mark to separate the 2 syllables. For example, 皮袄. If you don't use the mark, it's 飘, and they are totally different words. But don't worry, we don't have to remember these 2 words today. Plus, when a syllable begins with a, o, or we call it a zero initial syllable. Next one, you. So it's E plus O. E is short and quiet, and O in this O is pronounced shorter than it is pronounced in compound final O, with initials are like liu, new, mew. Remember, when there is an initial in front of you, we write U for short. The third one is Y. It's U plus I. This is an easy one. Y. Let's read with initials. 坏 乖 快 Last one for today. Wei. It's U plus A. U is short and quiet. A is pronounced shorter here. Here are some syllables with initials. 灰 龟 亏 Remember, when there is an initial in front of Wei, we write Wei for short. Okay, this is all for today. Want to watch the next video? Finish our quiz first. Bye!